Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you the detection of starch. See starch present in that potato, rice, starch is present. Okay. Now here I take small amount of cornstarch. Okay. It is available in grocery shop. Okay. In cooking we need that starch. Okay. So see, first I'll prepare some aqueous solution. See, just prepare some aqueous solution of that starch. Next, see, that is iodine test. Okay. See, starch, if we add that iodine, what happened? Lose that property of that uh, the starch in presence of iodine, we turn lose that. Starch in presence of iodine, we turn lose that. So for iodine C, I use betadine solution that is easily available in that medical shop, that iodine. Okay, it is see for that gargle we use that. Okay, for throat infection we use that betadine solution. Okay, actually iodine is a mild antiseptic. So that I use as a source of iodine. Just I'll add 1 drop of iodine and you see the change. See, for this I need dropper, only 1 drop I'll add. That is starch solution. Now you see the change. See the color change. Okay. Iodine color is brown. See, it turned that bluish black. Okay, that is identification of starch. You can also perform that test with that potato. Okay, or you make it a slice. Okay, then over that put 1 drop of that betadine solution. You will just see that one also turn blue. Okay,